Hi there, it's Tania from Tatty Treasures. I thought I'd come and show you a couple of newish kits from Nanine at college time, what she's kindly sent me to use. So this first one is called Botanical Labels, and it's lovely white, really crisp and clean. And you do get two backing papers with this as well, which I haven't printed off yet. So you get them with the florals on and you get them plain, which is really good, like that. Nice number one. So that's the first one. And then she's done the same kit in the more grungy, because I will probably put this with my like Edith Alden things. And then we've got this lovely grungy one. These kits I'm going to be using in my altered book, so I wanted to show them here so I can start and cut them out ready. So we've got this, and again you get two coordinating background pages. Love this staining on it, really nice. So that's those. Well, that is one of the coordinating papers. And then this one is a full kit, and let me just see what it's called. Oh, I'm on the wrong page. Let's have a look. It's called the Specimen Field Guide Label and Journal Kit. So I absolutely love this. So actually I will probably keep that for the botanical series, and I think I'll just actually use this kit because this is going to go more with the altered book. So again, you get this sheet, a plain sheet, and then this is the kit, what comes with it. So you got little tiny folders. Keep that double and make it into a little book, but two journal cards and some tags. Got this lovely pocket with a window that can be cut out. Got a big banner and two journal cards. I've got a really big tag here, two journal cards and a pocket. And then this is to make a little booklet. I've printed this on card as well. You could always just use it as a sheet, but yeah, I'm going to use mine as some kind of booklet. I do need to put that back through the printer actually. I'll leave that on one side. I thought I'd already printed on the back for some reason. Oh, I know what I was doing. I've printed this out in card as well. No, I haven't. Yes, I have, obviously. I think I was putting that at the back. Anyway. And then these are the pages that go with it. I think I'd run out of cream paper and not realised, and the printer. Oh, it is on cream. Oh, it's because it's a different cream to the card. So all I could see was that, and I thought it was white. It isn't. This is the cream paper. So I have backed these, I was unsure what I was using them for. So you got this lined one with a nice image on. Get a plain one, and then obviously those lines. This one, what I love, it'd be great for ripping out for collage. And some portrait ones, which are great when you're doing file folders and stuff like that, because you've got the height. Love this one. Yeah, that goes that way as well, doesn't it? Yeah, love that. See the wallpaper behind it. That's really nice. And then this one, I think that's that way. I think that could be the pink one that goes with those pink labels, to be honest. So I'll pop that over there. Yes, that's a pink one what goes with the labels. I'd obviously printed it out a couple of times. So they can go over there. And then this is another kit, a full kit, and it is called Vintage Green. So we've got lots of journal cards. Love this. She had something similar in the autumn kit, and I really enjoyed that. Some stamps. You can either cut these out separately or leave it together. Love that postcard frame. Some more postage stamps. Lots of journal cards and pieces of ephemera. That's very nice. Journal cards. More journal cards. Love this because lots of journal cards, and obviously you can make them into flips and things. So they're a nice size that you can do different things. We've got some words. Again, you can keep them double and do them as little pocket books. Some envelopes with little cards to go inside. Like that, with the borrower's name, like a library card. And some more journal cards and tabs and banners. Really big kit. And then this is the papers for it. Lovely colours. I think I might have that upside down. I don't know. It's a bit either way. So double pages, so you can just fold them in half. I think that's the wrong way, isn't it? And this backing sheet, the colour is beautiful. It's like a teal, but it's more green than teal, but it's got that kind of, I suppose it is a vintage green, isn't it? It's got that soft kind of feel. Love this backing paper. Again, it's portrait size. Another backing paper, and a few more kit pages. So yeah, it's a humongous kit, this one. Love these. I want to say these will be great to rip out and use in my altered folder, altered book. So that is the vintage green kit. So there's the vintage green kit, the specimen kit, and then the specimens on their own. So I can get all this cut out, and the next time you see it, we'll be doing a page spread in my altered book. So that's me for now. Just a quick one, just jumping on. So I hope you are all well, and I shall see you very soon. Bye for now.